Yesterday, I finally finished my beauty room, and I'm going to show you. So when you come into the beauty room, the first thing you see is my beauty closet, I call it. This is where I store all the makeup. It's all right here. I do have it organized in a very specific way. This first section is all glitters, and then the last drawer is setting sprays. This row is all lip products. Here we have powders, bronzers, blushes, highlighters. One of my favorite sections, primers, foundations, concealers, and contour. I kind of arrange it by price. So here in this first drawer is like the prestige, below is the drugstore. And then this, I have mascara, liner, eye bases, brows, and lashes. Definitely my favorite part of the room, no doubt about it. On the shelves, I just have really cool things. I have my American Influencer Award, this sick bubblegum machine. Here I have my Sigma brushes and my more expensive brushes, along with some other lip products I have on display. I love this shelf. This is all of my fragrances. This is a beautiful bouquet that was made for me. Here are some lipsticks that I love, some lip liners I love, and I keep my camera here. And I do keep my university degree on display because I absolutely loved college. I'd go back in a heartbeat, and I am proud of my degree. This is definitely a pride and joy. As you come over, you have the hair shelf. This is all my hair products on this shelf here. And then we have this gorgeous display. In this is all of my eyeshadow palettes. They're organized by brand. So for instance, in here is all my Glam Light palettes. Or if you open this, all of the ColourPop quads. More of my favorite hair products on top here, my travel cases. As you pan over, you have this really cute seating area. I created this for if I have friends, family over, they can sit and chill with me. We can do makeup, talk about makeup. My TikTok feature is on the table. For the theme, I went with purple because it's one of my absolute favorite colors. I'm also a sloth fanatic. I have a little corner here with makeup I'm going to do a video on, so I keep that over here so it's accessible. And this is where the magic happens. So this is my desk where I film all of my videos. For lighting, I use a panel light on each side. This I just have so I can see what I'm doing. And then this for close-ups on my face if I need it. And I keep my phone on that little tripod there. In the desk, I keep my eyelashes here. As you can see, this needs to be cleaned and restocked. I will do that shortly. And when you come up here, this is what I call my pride shelf. So this is things I'm really proud of. My Glam Light collection, my Beauty Blender collab, my Dunkin' collection, my Glow Recipe kit. And it looks like there's room for something else here, huh? All my brushes. And that is my beauty room.